Aye.
Are you ready, lads?
We're ready. Lads are ready. No. Wayne's here. Tim's here. Here we go. We're going for the fireworks. I don't know where I'm going. We've come out. We've had a couple of drinks, so we could end up anywhere. I think I've gone the wrong way. I don't know if it's round that way. Or maybe it's round that way. I just saw that big wall and thought, no, that's not right. Oh my days, that fire's... That tree's going.
Yeah. There'll be 2 fires here in a minute.
Yeah, the tree will be on fire. Oh, it's warm, isn't it?
There's some chairs there thrown in.
Oh, those chairs are worth a fortune. Oh, maybe we can get round this way. Did you come this way? Did you come this way? Oh.
I don't know what's coming out.
I know. You got to be quick, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's warm, isn't it?
Yeah. I can't do that again.
Oh, good dog, don't go in there. Oh, they're going off in 2 different places.
Oh, there's a bit of rivalry going on here.
Is there 2 lots going on?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bonfire just down the
Oh,
road.
yeah, there is.
If I get you 2 on, Auntie Margaret will be happy, won't she?
Back. Put it on.
So that's us on our way back home. We've been up at Silverdale for Bonfire party last night, and oh, it's a glorious day today. Well, it was forecast for rain, but we didn't get any last night. Lots of fireworks, big bonfire, and lots of lovely food. Thank you, Wendy and Peter, and we'll be back home in about half an hour. Smashing. And the sticky toffee pudding. They're still parked there. I'm not sure if they're wild camping there. Probably not. It probably belongs to farm. Yep, over the railway. What a lovely day. Look at those geese swarming there. Oh God, there's loads on that field. There's hundreds. Probably too far away. It's lovely scenery. Up over we go. They must have been to Holgate's there.
Yeah.
Coming into Wharton. That's a nice little van. Paint Mine Woods. So we're just coming, well, we're not coming into Wharton, are we? Because we're already in Wharton. So we're just coming to Carnforth Market Street side there. So we're just leaving Carnforth. There's a little train there. So we're just coming down onto Morecambe Prom in a minute. Gorgeous views over the bay. Boat out there. If you'd like to see more of Kim and Wayne, please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.